Hello everyone. Let's continue full-fledged question of chapter 4, admission of a partner in the firm. In this question, we will discuss about revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet and journal entries. How to attempt full-fledged question of admission. See question number 59A of your book. In this question, balance sheet is given. Clear? So we will firstly start revaluation account. There are two partners, Vimal and Nirmal. They are sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. They are admitting Kailash as a partner. He is introducing 40,000 capital and 20,000 goodwill. New profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. In this question, old ratio is given 3:2 and new ratio is given 2:1:1. That means here you have to calculate sacrifice ratio first. So Vimal sacrifice, formula of sacrifice ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. 3/5 minus 2/4, that is 2/20. And Nirmal sacrifice 2/5 minus 1/4, that is 3/20. So sacrifice ratio of Vimal and Nirmal is 2:3. Firstly, we will calculate sacrifice ratio, that is 2:3. Then, see in question, a revaluation of assets will be made by reducing plant and machinery to rupees 35,000. Plant and machinery to rupees 35. 2 is given. Then we have to take the difference. 35,000 and here plant and machinery is 50,000. So difference of 35,000 and 50,000 means plant and machinery is reduced by 15,000. Clear? If 2 word is given, then we have to take the difference of this value and in balance sheet value, that is 15,000. So plant and machinery is reduced by 15,000. Decrease in asset on debit side 15,000. Clear? Stock is reduced by 10%. Stock is reduced by 10%. What is the value of stock? That is 40,000. 40,000 into 10%, 4,000. Stock is reduced by 4,000 to stock 4,000. Decrease in asset. Clear? Next, provision of 1,000 is to be made for bad and doubtful debts. All provisions are our liability. 1,000 we are making for provision means increase in liability on the debit side to provision 1,000. There is no other information. So loss transfer to old partner in old ratio. Total loss of 20,000 will be divided between Vimal and Nirmal in their old ratio, that is 3:2. Clear? Sacrifice ratio we have calculated. Now see journal entries. So first journal entry related to goodwill. In the question, in balance sheet cash is given, so we will write over here cash account. Clear? In case of bank we write over here bank, in case of cash we will write cash. So first entry of goodwill is cash account debit to new partners capital, means cash account debit to Kailash capital to premium for goodwill. He is bringing goodwill in cash, we will write premium for goodwill. He is bringing capital 40,000 and goodwill 20,000. So total 60,000. Second entry, premium for goodwill account debit to Vimal's capital to Nirmal's capital. Goodwill brought by new partner will be divided in which ratio? Sacrifice ratio. Very important here to note down that this premium is divided in which ratio? Sacrifice ratio, that is 2:3. 20,000 will be divided in 2:3, that is 8,000, 12,000. Clear these two entry? Capital and goodwill brought by partner and premium brought by, capital premium brought by new partner and premium of new partner will be divided among old partner in which ratio? Sacrifice ratio, that is 8,000 and 12,000. Clear? Now you have to see one more thing. Profit and loss balance. If on the liability side here profit and loss account is given, and profit and loss account on the liability side will be divided in partners capital account in old ratio. So profit and loss account debit, these are profit and partners capital account will be credited. On the liability side, items will be debit and partners capital account is credited. So profit and loss account debit to Vimal capital to Nirmal capital. Profit is 20,000. It will be divided between Vimal and Nirmal in which ratio? Old ratio. You have to always be careful. You have to check whether profit and loss account balance or any journal reserve is given in the liability side. Then you have to divide among old partner in old ratio. Clear? Now see, on asset side, goodwill is given. This is our existing goodwill. Goodwill appeared in the books. Its general entry is old partners capital account debit to goodwill. See, this goodwill, old partners capital account debit to goodwill. So you have to distribute balance sheet some items also, profit and loss account and goodwill. Profit and loss account debit to old partner, but for this goodwill, old partners capital account debit to goodwill. 10,000 will be divided in which ratio? Old ratio. Clear? Then you have to make entries of revaluation. Now see, journal entry of revaluation from this side. See, revaluation account debit to plant and machinery to stock to provision. Revaluation account debit to plant and machinery to stock to provision. We will make combined entry of debit items. Revaluation account debit to plant and machinery to stock to provision for doubtful debts. And for this side, these will be debit and revaluation will be credited. Vimal's capital account debit, Nirmal's capital account debit to revaluation. That is our loss 20,000, 12,000, 8,000 in old ratio. Clear? Vimal's capital, Nirmal's capital to revaluation. Journal entries are done. Now see partners capital account, how to make partners capital account. Starting same as per chapter 2, buy balance brought down, capital introduced by old partners 60,000 and 32,000. For new partners capital, we debited over here cash account. So here buy cash account, Kailash capital 40,000. Old partners capital with the name buy balance brought down, and new partners capital buy cash account 40,000. Then see this profit and loss. Buy profit and loss, this side. Buy profit and loss 12,000, 8,000. Clear? Buy profit and loss. Where there are name of partners like Vimal Nirmal, Kailash, Vimal Nirmal, these all entries will transfer to capital account. In this entry, Vimal Nirmal, we can't write Vimal Nirmal, so we have to write opposite side. It is a rule of ledger. Buy profit and loss account. Clear? Amount in Vimal's account and Nirmal's account. Similarly, buy premium for goodwill 8,000 in Vimal's account and 12,000 in Nirmal's account. Clear? Buy profit and loss, buy premium for goodwill, because in these entry partners capital account is credited. Here also partners capital account is credited. So partners capital account, this is our credit side, this is our debit side. So buy profit and loss, buy premium for goodwill. Clear? Now this side, see this entry, partners capital account are debit. We can't write partner's name over here. In the partners capital account, we can't write partner's name. So to goodwill. In Vimal 6,000 and in Nirmal 4,000. Now revaluation loss, here also partner's name. So to revaluation 12,000, 8,000. Clear? So where there is partner's name in the journal entry, those entry will transfer to capital account. Clear? We can't write partner's name in partner's capital account, so opposite name will be transfer over here. So to goodwill, Vimal Nirmal 2 revaluation, Vimal Nirmal. Clear? After that we will calculate balance carried down. After all the adjustment, capital of partners is, we will make total of this side, then we will subtract these two items, then balance carried down is 62,000, 40,000, 40,000. At last, see the balance sheet. See your balance sheet. See balance sheet. First of all, very important thing, cash. In the balance sheet, cash is given 14,000. But new partner is also bringing 40,000 capital and 20,000 goodwill. 60,000 is brought by new partner, so we will add it in our cash balance. Already cash given in the question is 14,000. We will add goodwill and capital brought by new partner 60,000. So total cash balance is 74,000. Debtors in the question 18,000 is given. There is provision of 1,000 on doubtful debts. So we will deduct provision from debtors. 18,000 minus 1,000, 17,000. Plant and machineries value is now 35,000. Stock is reduced by 4,000. In question 40,000 is given stock and stock is reduced by 4,000. We will less 4,000. Our stock is 36,000. Plant and machinery 35,000. There is no change in creditors, so creditor is added as it is 20,000 capital. We will show now new capital 62,000, 40,000 and 40,000. Vimal, Nirmal and Kailash. Then total of balance sheet is equal. So this is our full-fledged question. You have to do it step by step. First you will make revaluation account, then your working notes. In working notes you have to calculate sacrifice ratio, because in question you require sacrifice ratio for this second entry. Clear? Then if journal is asked, then you have to make all journal entries, otherwise no need to make journal. In capital account, firstly you will start with buy balance brought down, then buy cash or buy bank for new partners capital, then buy profit and loss or buy journal reserve appear in the balance sheet, then buy premium for goodwill. If new partner is bringing goodwill in cash, then buy premium for goodwill, and if he is not bringing goodwill in cash, then we will write buy Kailash current account. But in both the cases it will come on this side, credit side. If in cash, buy premium for goodwill. If not in cash, then buy new partners current account between Vimal and Nirmal. This is our existing goodwill appeared in the balance sheet. It is always come over debit side. 2 goodwill, existing goodwill in old ratio, then 2 revaluation, it's a revaluation loss on debit side. If there is a profit on revaluation, then on credit side buy revaluation. In case of profit, buy revaluation. In case of loss, 2 revaluation. Then 2 balance carry down new capital of the partners. Then in balance sheet you will add or less changes of your assets and liabilities, and you will mention over here new capital, then total of balance sheet should be equal. Clear? So practice these questions.